It's very critical to use the right injector, as we need to have that be reliable over the whole life expectancy of that vehicle.
The Bosch OE difference is that you're using an original equipment, so there's never no doubt that it's not the right part or it's not going to work.
Bosch is a global leader in the diesel industry, not just in this country, but globally.
Our products that we have in the aftermarket are going to meet the same standards as the OE parts that we sell to the original equipment manufacturers.
Bosch remanufactured diesel injectors set the standard for precision and reliability by replacing all critical wear components, including the valve set and nozzle. The valve set lies at the core of each injector, and Bosch replaces this entire component with new OE parts during the remanufacturing process. Bosch remanufactured injectors are optimized for durability and performance. Let's look at a key part of the valve set, the valve body, especially its upper section known as the ball seat. While Bosch completely replaces this entire component, some competitors only regrind or repair the ball seat. This shortcut not only reduces injector lifespan, but also impacts overall engine efficiency. Bosch also replaces the nozzle, a key component in efficient combustion. Incorrectly manufactured or damaged nozzles can severely reduce performance, but Bosch's commitment to quality ensures each OE nozzle keeps the engine performing as new. By taking the care to replace all of these critical components in the remanufacturing process, Bosch remanufactured injectors are your best option to defend against smoke, erratic power output, and poor fuel economy, all of which are issues that may be expected from competitor injectors.
All of that translates into a durable and reliable injector that's going to perform adequately and meet that OE standard.
And that's why you have to use genuine OE Bosch parts.
The end result is the customer is happy with the final product.
We see vehicles and equipment come in every day with aftermarket parts, and there is no way of fixing them short of replacing the whole unit.
Customers are way better off choosing Bosch authorized service centers. Do it right, make the investment, you'll be happy in the long run.
Choosing the right injector for your diesel engine can feel overwhelming. Trust Bosch injectors to deliver reliability, performance, and durability.